It was an auspicious occasion for the Holy Dip, and that attracted a massive crowd. In turn, has led to the Stampede tragedy. It was on Mauni Amavasya, remember, where at the Mahakumbh there was this tragedy, and with the confirmation coming in now that about 30 people in total lost their life, around 60 have received injuries. Over 8 crore people reportedly took the Holy Dip and were near the Sangam and at the Mahakumbh through the day. Till 29 January, we are told in total over 25 crore people have already taken the Holy Dip at the Mahakumbh. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, meanwhile, looking at the tragedy and the incident that happened, has ordered a 3-member judicial investigation. He's called the tragedy unfortunate, saying the stampede occurred because there were some people who broke the barricades as well. He's also announced that about 25 lakh rupees ex gratia will be given to the next of kin. The government imposed 5 key changes after the stampede at the Mahakumbh. So now there is going to be a complete no vehicle zone at the Mela. All VVIP passes are cancelled for now. A one-way route system for devotees has been imposed. So there is only one way through which the devotees will be able to come. Vehicle entry restricted. Strict 4-wheeler curb will continue till 4th February. Politics escalated as well. Opposition is accusing Yogi Adityanath government of mismanagement, claiming UP government prioritized VIP culture, VIP visits and photo ops and was unprepared for the massive crowd on the big day. They are attacking Yogi Adityanath that he's rather focusing on Delhi elections than functioning at the Kumbh Mela.
घटना दुखद है, मर्माहत करने वाला है। उन सभी परिजनों के प्रति हमारी पूरी संवेदना है।
Is at the Mahakumbh, and through yesterday, remember, he was tracking not just the Holy Dip with a massive crowd and number of people, but also the tragedy that followed. Gaurav, what is this morning looking like at the Mahakumbh?
Pooja, good morning. Right now, there's no let-up in the number of devotees who are coming, but a certain number of restrictions have been very strictly put in place. So one, all VVIP passes have been cancelled, as you were reporting. Apart from all VVIP passes being cancelled, this entire area has now been declared a no-vehicle zone. So every devotee who comes in will have to walk, whether you're a common person or a VVIP, at least where all the common people are coming, or at least, those who are not going to the VVIP ghats, there are no VVIP passes for anyone. Vehicles that are coming in are being stopped on the outskirts of Prayagraj or in designated parking slots. They cannot come in. In fact, people are being encouraged to come only via public transport and not personal vehicles. So a lot of restrictions are being put in place. As you well know, the entire Kumbh area has been split into various sectors and zones. All zone in charges, all sector in charges, they've once again been given that very strict instruction that nobody should be permitted to sleep on the walking track or near the barricades, because often people get tired, and it's very understandable. After walking for good 8-10 kilometers, taking a dip, at times people are fasting, so they're not even eating until they've taken a dip. So people are tired, and then after the dip, they just sit there. Now they're being encouraged to move away to a safer location and then sit, so that the tracks are open only for the yatra. And all of these restrictions will remain in place till the 4th of February, till after the Basant Panchami Snan, and then there would be a reassessment. All senior officers have been told, in case there's any dereliction, the strictest possible action will be taken. Even as far as the tragedy is concerned, with 30 confirmed deaths and 26 people who've been identified so far who've been killed. Compensation has been, from what I've been told, compensation checks are being issued out. Point 1 and point 2. People are being told that now when you come for the Kumbh Yatra, you will come, take a dip and move out, no longer stay in the Mela area.
Gaurav, thank you very much, and we'll be tracking the latest on that. So there will be possibly more restrictions now, and a pathway that will be created. But remember, sadly, even that tragedy should not have happened of 30 people who've lost their life.